Suppose if you are using Microsoft Excel in your Windows computer, and you should click this insert, this one on the top, and here you can see the option to insert the test box. From here you must click the test box here, and if I move my mouse and click somewhere, then you can see a test box have been arrived, and simply you can drag like this to increase the size also from here. And I'm going to type here HELL hello, and after that if I want to move this I simply click on my right side, then here you can see the option comes format test effect. You must click this one, and here you can see the test direction. Now it is shown as horizontal, and suppose if I want to change the test direction, I must simply change it. For example, if I want to change the test direction to rotate 90 degree, I select this one, then you can see that it has been changed like this. Similarly, if you want to change it to rotate a test to 70 degree, you must select this. You can see that the difference here. Of this area. See for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.